Hello students, myself Arshal Nilkanthe Nemade, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Now we will perform the practical number 14 and 15 torsion test on mild steel. Practical significance. Material commonly used in manufacturing industry such as metal fasteners and beam are often subjected to the torsion. Hence determination of the strength under the twisting is necessary. Without torsion test, material would not be properly weighted before being launched for the commercial use. In torsion test, the measurable values includes the modulus of elasticity in shear, yield shear strength, ductile, ultimate shear strength, and modulus of rupture in the shear. These values are similarly but not the same as those measured by tensile test and are important for the material manufacturing as they may be used to simulate the service condition. Check the product quality and design to ensure the manufacture correctly. The three common forms of torsion test include failure, proof, and operational test. A torsion test for the failure requires the test sample to be twisted until it breaks and designed to measure the strength of the sample. A proof test is designed to observe the material under the specific torque over a set period in a time. Finally, the operational test measures the material performed under the expected service condition of its application. All of these forms test may not be performed either a torsion or combined torsion, and axial tension or compression loading depends upon the characteristics to be measured. Relevant course outcomes are there: basic knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tool, ethics, individual teamwork, communication, lifelong learning. Okay. PO1, PO3, PO4, PO7, PO8, PO9 and PO10 all are these program outcomes. Competency skill. The practical is expected to develop the following skills or the industry identified competency: estimate the stress in the structural member of a mechanical property of material, selection of suitable material for the given loading, handling of the instrument, interpretation of the result, setting up the instrument. Relevant course outcome: estimate the stress in the shaft under the twisting moment. Practical outcome: determine the modulus of rigidity by conducting the torsion test on mild steel as per the Indian Standard 1717. Okay, so this is a machine. You may see the machine setup. There is one torque, there is one rod. We give the twisting moment both the side. For one twisting moment is given in clockwise direction, other twisting moment is given in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, you may see there are two jaw in a machine. One is a fixed jaw and other is a movable jaw. Okay, there is a analog indicator to give the load, at what load the material gate fails. Okay, we may calculate it from there. I will show you video. Okay, resource required: torsion test machine. We required a vernier caliper to calculate the diameter. Okay, also we require the specimen we require now for mild steel. Okay, precaution to be before precautions. I will show you one video. Okay, have a look of that video. See, the specimen is loaded in both the jaw. Okay, cover is closed. I have started the machine. You may see the stress strain diagram. Okay, torque versus angle diagram. The rotation of the shaft is going on. Okay, slowly we are increasing the load and the speed of the chuck. You may see how the chuck is getting rotated. See the twist in the shaft. is break. You may see how the material is break. See the line. As we have performed the experiment, precautions to be followed: avoid over accelerating of machine and maintain the proper rate of the load. Place the sample exactly at the required location only it is fixed properly. At the time of operation, keep the safe distance for the machine you or use casing. Okay. Specimens of the grip having minimum hardness of 55 HRC and straight face must be used. The grip shall be placed in a testing machine in such a way that during the test they remains at the same axis. Do not apply any bend force to the test piece. In general, the test is carried out of the temperature between 10 degree to 35 degree test under the control condition. We required shall be made by temperature of 23 plus minus 5 degree Celsius. Conclusion: we have concluded to determine the modulus of rigidity by the conducting torsion test on the Miles MS as per the 1717. Okay. Thank you.